Good morning, Mihira. Just a quick handover for Mrs. Eleanor Vance in bed 4. She presented yesterday with what initially seemed like a straightforward case of contact dermatitis on her hands, quite inflamed with some weeping. However, overnight, she developed a rather extensive, pruritic rash spreading across her trunk and upper limbs. She mentioned using a new brand of hand sanitizer just prior to the initial flare-up, but also recalled a similar, though less severe, episode a few months ago after using a different moisturizer. She denies any new food intake or recent travel. Her temperature is stable, and her vitals are within normal limits. We've applied some emollient and a mild topical corticosteroid cream to the affected areas for now. Keep a close eye on the extent and severity of the rash, and particularly note any signs of systemic involvement, like breathlessness or facial swelling, although that seems unlikely at this stage.
Right, Mrs. Vance in bed 4. So, the initial hand issue might be separate from this more widespread rash then. It sounds like we need to be alert to potential allergic reactions rather than just a localized irritant.
Precisely. The temporal relationship with the hand sanitizer is suggestive, but the subsequent widespread eruption and the previous similar incident point towards a possible underlying sensitivity to a common excipient in skin care products. Mihira, for now, continue with the current topical treatment and ensure she's comfortable. Let me know immediately if there are any significant changes or if the itching becomes unmanageable despite the emollient. Mihira, as you continue along your recovery journey, one of the most gentle and helpful things you can do for yourself right now is to take a short walk. Moving your body, even just for a few minutes, does wonders for your physical healing because it keeps your joints from getting stiff and helps your muscles wake up safely. Beyond just the physical benefits, stepping out for a brief stroll can lift your spirits and give you a wonderful sense of well-being, reminding you of how strong you truly are. To make sure you feel completely safe and stable, I would love to offer you a walking aid, like a sturdy frame or a walking stick. Using a support like this isn't a sign of weakness, rather, it is a smart tool designed to help distribute your weight evenly and keep your balance steady as you move. Having that extra point of contact with the ground takes the pressure off your healing body and gives you the confidence to take each step without any fear of slipping. We can take things completely at your own pace, and I will be right here beside you to guide you through it.